here's a quick slide board circuit just for skaters. Goalies, you are not allowed to do this workout. Not allowed. So when you use your slide board, make sure that you keep it nice and lubed. I just use Lemon Pledge. Makes the gym smell nice and gets the board nice and slippery, but make sure you do that. I actually in the gym use the board with skaters. I really use it mostly for energy system intervals, but I also will do some strength exercises on it too, so I'll show you those as well. But to start with, one of the types of intervals that we'll do is we'll do a longer interval, so like a 40 to 50 second interval on the slide board. But we'll do part of it just what I call in the up position, just kind of relaxed, striving.